Hello, people. So, as of yesterday, I saw this Oscar nominated film called My Octopus Teacher, and it's all about this one. It's a real life. It's like a documentary, really. It's about this one gentleman who a diver in on the coast of South Africa who decides to um, befriend this one octopus he sees, and as in uh, did you know octopus eggs can be 500,000, but finally only a few survive. I mean, of the 500,000, I guess it's a lot like how the sperm theory, right? So many sperms and finally only one egg is fertilized. But with regard to octopus, so many baby octopuses are released into the ocean, but finally only a very few survive, and that too their lifespan is only 1 year. So this particular documentary follows the life of that one octopus who becomes like uh, so the diver is amazed that the octopus almost has an intelligence of a dog or a cat in terms of uh, coming and he comes and holds on to the arms of the diver, which is very rare because octopus is not generally considered a pet type of thing. But you'll have to watch this documentary, people. It's called My Octopus Teacher, and it has such a lyrical quality to it. I mean, when you're watching it, you're like, it's most of it is shot underwater, right? So I think it's one of the finest films I've seen in a long time. So My Octopus Teacher it is, and you can find it on Netflix, and it's a film that will help you see the world in a different light. So this is almost a 2-minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.